In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a landing page on System.io for free. First, log into your System.io account. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the top menu and click Funnels. This is where you can create and manage landing pages as part of a funnel, even if you are using the free plan. Next, look to the top right corner and click Create. This will open the setup for a new funnel. You will then need to give your funnel a name. Choose something simple and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to create more funnels later. After that, select Build an Audience as the goal. This option is ideal for a landing page because it is designed to help you collect leads. Then click Save to continue. Once your funnel has been created, click on the name of the new funnel to open the Funnel Step Manager. This is the area where you control the individual pages inside the funnel. On the left sidebar, select the Squeeze Page step. This is your landing page step, and it is where visitors will first arrive. System.io will now show you a list of available free templates. Take a moment to browse through them and choose the design that best fits your brand or offer. When you find one you like, click Select. Remember, the template is just a starting point, so you can always change the content inside the editor. After selecting a template, click the Edit Page button on the right side. It has a magic wand icon, and it will open the drag-and-drop editor. Inside the editor, you can click directly on the page elements to customize them. Update the headline so it clearly explains your offer. Replace images if needed, and edit the form fields to match the information you want to collect. Keeping your message clear and simple will usually make the page more effective. When you are done editing, click the green Save Changes button in the top right corner. This makes sure your work is not lost. Then click the exit arrow to leave the editor and return to the funnel settings. Finally, click the Save Funnel Steps icon on the right. Once that is done, copy your free URL path. Your landing page is now live and ready to share. That covers everything you need to know.